Hi friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to upload your pre-recorded video to your RedNote social app. First of all, go ahead and open the RedNote app and select here home and tap on this plus icon to create a new post. And here you will find your gallery medias. Select the video option to see only videos from your gallery. Now just select the video that you want to post to your RedNote, and you can go ahead and select multiple videos just like so. Now tap on next, and here we can see my pre-recorded video added here. Now if you want to add a music to your video, tap on this music icon, and now you can go ahead and add musics to your video. Now you can add effects to your video from here. You can add text to your video. You can add sticker. You can trim the video. Now just tap on next. And here go ahead and add a video title, add a video description. And now all you have to need, just tap on post and your pre-recorded video will be published in your RedNote. Thank you.